doing the arena live concert video for the band, so they brought in Simon Milne to do it. Simon put the band out in the desert and had mostly Simon, LeBon that is, be pursued by some sort of snake man. We don't really know what the video is about, and Simon LeBon never wanted to like to talk about the meanings of the songs. We don't really know what this is about, although he has said that it refers to tantric sex on at least one occasion. At number 11, Duran Duran's Union of the Snake.